This video shows an example of an Elasticsearch crash on a Magento 2 installation. It will show you the symptoms of a crash and finally the steps to reinstate it. My Magento 2 website is hosted on the mCloud M server. I pay for 4GB extra RAM as a standard 4GB of RAM maxed out every minute or so with resultant broken website. I continue to have problems to this day. The cost is £111 plus VAT per month. Note, Adobe state 4GB is needed for Magento 2 with Elasticsearch, which is now mandatory. This is a plan I'm on. In this example, the Elasticsearch crash was instigated by a simple admin task, i.e. designating a different theme. This doesn't look good. We're waiting and waiting. And now we have an error. Exception printing disabled just means the error is not displayed on screen. We could look up the error log, but Elasticsearch frequently crashes, so I suspect this. Now I'm going to select a category at random. We can't find products matching this selection. This is a strong indication that I'm suspecting Elasticsearch correctly. We open up PuTTY to communicate with our server. We enter the required command to restart Elasticsearch. The command is systemctl start Elasticsearch. Now Elasticsearch should be running and our products will reappear. It's easy to restart Elasticsearch to fix a broken website, but memory can max out at any time and there's no way of knowing when this will happen, leaving you with a broken website. The hosting company blamed the configuration of the Magento 2 installation and/or the extensions. However, the expert developers who have supplied the extensions have also configured the website. Meanwhile, I'm paying a lot for a very unreliable website. Magento 1 ran perfectly for years on a shared hosting at a fraction of the cost. Magento 2 costs so much more to host and is still unreliable and so slow compared with Magento 1. It's little wonder that I'm now seriously considering using an alternative service such as Shopify.